Hey everyone, welcome back to AI Tunecraft. Today we're tackling one specific, powerful technique that can instantly transform a good song into an unforgettable, epic anthem. That's right, we're going to master the live concert vibe in Suno AI, and it's easier than you think. First, let's create our baseline. For this, I'm going to use these lyrics. Let's generate that and hear the standard studio version.
We are the dreamers in the dark, a million sparks, a brand new start. This is the sound of who we are, shining like a shooting star.
It's a solid pop chorus. It's catchy, the synths are big, the vocals are clean, but it feels like you're just listening to a recording. The first and most important step is to change the environment. We do this with a simple but powerful tag, live performance. Adding this one tag tells Suno to completely change the sound to have an outcome with the vibe we want. Let's update our prompt. It now looks like this. Now listen carefully to the difference in the atmosphere.
We are the dreamers in the dark, a million sparks, a brand new start. This is the sound of who we are, shining like a shooting star.
Hear that? Now the song has a vibe of the singer performing it live. What about bringing in a crowd? This is where the magic really happens. We're going to invite thousands of people to sing along with one simple tag, crowd singing. We can add this directly after the live performance tag. This tells Suno that you want to hear the audience participating in the chorus, turning it into a true anthem. Our final prompt now becomes, now let's hear what happens when the crowd joins in.
Dreamers in the dark, a million sparks, a brand new start. This is the sound of who we are, shining like a shooting star.
And that is the secret. That's the goosebumps moment. Hearing the crowd sing those words along with the lead vocalist adds a massive layer of emotion and energy. It's no longer just a song, it's a shared experience. Now, if you want to get even more specific for this genre, you can use other related tags. Instead of live performance, you can use a tag like live music festival for a sound that might add even more bass and outdoor ambiance. If you want the massive sound without the live energy for a different part of the song, you can just use stadium reverb. Let's quickly hear our same Dreamers chorus with the live music festival tag to see how it compares.
We are the dreamers in the dark, a million sparks, a brand new start. This is the sound of who we are, shining like a shooting star. Shining like a shooting star.
As you can hear, it really nails that outdoor festival sound. Experimenting with these tags is the key to finding the perfect live sound for your specific song, and that's the breakdown. The crowd singing tag is one of the most fun and high-impact techniques in Suno, so I encourage you to try it. What kind of vibe are you going to create? Live performance, arena rock, or stadium reverb? Let me know in the comments below. If this video helped you out, make sure you hit that subscribe button for AI Tunecraft. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.